you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. I, Miss Parvati Chaugule, your first grade English teacher, welcome you all to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Students, last year you were in UKG. Now you are in first grade. Yes, na? Yes. This year we have introduced a new book, that is Cambridge Learn. The name of the textbook is Saffron. S-A-F-F-R-O-N. Saffron. Children, it is an integrated book. Means it have all the subjects like English, mathematics, environmental studies, computer science and general knowledge. Students, so we will learn a very exciting things in this year. Once again, I welcome you all to this new academic year 21-22. Students, so now we will move towards our chapter, okay? But wait, before moving towards our chapter, I will be asking you some questions and you have to give me answers, okay? My first question is, students, tell me, in which city do we live? Yes, we live in Solapur city. Now, my next question is, how many members are there in your family? Tell, yes. This question will have different answer as different students will have different members in their family. Yes or no? Yes. Some will say 4, some will say 6, like this. This question will have different answer. Now, students, do you know what is a family? Yes, of course we all know what is a family. It is a group of people in which they are related to each other. Yes or no? Yes. We all live with our family. Students, there are different types of families. That is nuclear family and joint family. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of nuclear family? Nuclear family is also called as a small family. In this, mother, father and their children live. Okay. That is called as a nuclear family. Now, what is a joint family? Joint family means, in this, grandma, grandpa, mother, father, uncle, auntie and their children. This all means a lot big family will have. Okay, that is a joint family. Now, today we will be introducing a joint family. Okay. Now, our today's topic is Manu and his family. Okay. What is our today's topic? Manu and his family. Manu and his family. Once more. What is the name of our topic? Manu and his family. See students, this is Manu. This is Manu. He lives in Ranchi. This is Manu's house. Where is Manu's house? This is, in this picture, you can see, this is Manu's house and this is Manu. He lives in Ranchi. Where he lives? He lives in Ranchi. Okay. Now, this is his mother is a doctor. This is Manu's mother. Who is this? This is Manu's mother. His mother is a doctor. Whose mother is a doctor? Yes, Manu's mother is a doctor. Her name is Veena Kumar. Her name is Veena Kumar. What is the name of Manu's mother? Yes, Manu's mother's name is Veena Kumar. She works in Amber Hospital. Where does Manu's mother work? Manu's mother works in Amber Hospital. Manu's father is a teacher. This is Manu's father. And what work Manu's father do? Manu's father is a teacher. Okay. His name is Ravi Kumar. What is the name of Manu's father? Manu's father's name is Ravi Kumar. He works in Central School. Where does Manu's father work? Manu's father works in Central School. Now, here is Manu with his family. In this picture, we can see this is Manu with his family. He lives with his mother. This is Manu's mother. His father. This is Manu's father. His grandpa. This is Manu's grandpa. His grandma. This is Manu's grandma. And his little sister Meeta. And with his little sister Meeta. This is Manu's little sister Meeta. So, this is the family picture of Manu. Okay. Meeta is 10 months old. What is the age of Manu's sister? Manu's sister is 10 months old. Manu loves to play with Meeta. Manu loves to play with Meeta. This is Meeta, Manu's sister. And Manu loves to play with Meeta. Manu has a dog called Spot. Children, do you have pet at home? Yes, some of the students or all may have pet at their home. It may be cat or dog or any other animal, may be your pet. Okay. Manu has a dog called Spot. This is a Manu's pet dog, that is Spot. What is the name of the dog? Yes, the name of the dog is Spot. He is white and has a big black spot on him. Students, what is the color of the Manu's dog? Yes, Manu's dog is white in color and has a big black spot. Are you able to see this? Yes, this is a big black spot on the Manu's dog. And next, every morning Manu and Spot play in the garden. Manu throws a ball. Children, do you play with your pet? Yes. You may also play with your pet. Every morning, Manu and Spot play in the garden. Where do they play? They play in the garden. Spot runs after the ball. Okay. When the Spot runs? When Manu throws a ball, Spot runs after the ball. He wags his tail hard. He wags his tail hard. He is happy to be outside. Who is happy to be outside? Spot is happy to be outside. In the evening, Manu takes Meeta out in her pram. Okay, this is the pram and in that Meeta is there. In the evening, Manu takes Meeta out in her pram. They go to the park. Where do they go? They go to the park. Grandpa goes with them and Grandpa also goes with them. In this picture, are you able to see? This is Grandpa and this is Meeta in her pram and this is Manu. Spot is also there. Spot goes with them too. Yes. In the evening, Manu takes Meeta out in her pram. They go to the park. Grandpa goes with them. Grandpa goes with them. Spot goes with them too. Spot also goes with them. Goes with them. So like this, Spot, Grandpa, Meeta and Manu goes to the park in the evening. Many boys and girls play in the park. You also like to play in the park, yes or no? Yes. So, many boys and girls play in the park. Meeta sees them and laughs. And Meeta sees them all playing and she feels happy and she laughs. Okay. Manu has many books. What does Manu have? Manu have many books. Do you have, children, many books? Yes, we too have many books like story books, then rhyme. All these books we also have. Every night his grandma reads to him. Yes, what the grandma do? Grandma reads to him. For whom grandma reads? Grandma reads for Manu. Manu likes to look at the words and pictures. And what? Manu likes to look at the words and pictures. You also like to look at the words and pictures, yes or no? Yes, we all like to look at the words and pictures in the textbook. Manu is sleepy. Now Manu is sleepy. He hugs his teddy bear. He goes to sleep. Spot is sleepy too. Can you see him? Are you able to see him, Spot? Yes, this is the Spot, and Spot is sleepy too. Yes or no? Yes. Now, we have seen this topic. What was the name of our topic? Manu and his family. Now, we will see one video. Okay? Sit straight and see the video.
Manu and his family. Let us meet Manu and his family. This is Manu. This is his house in Ranchi. His mother, Veena Kumar, is a doctor. She works in Amber Hospital. Manu's father, Ravi Kumar, is a teacher. He works in Central School. Manu's family consists of his mother, father, grandpa, grandma, and 10-month-old little sister, Meeta. Manu loves playing with Meeta. Manu's dog Spot is white with one big black spot. Each morning, Manu and Spot play in the garden. Happy to be outside, Spot wags his tail and runs after the ball Manu throws. In the evening, Manu takes Meeta out in her pram to the park. Grandpa and Spot go with them. Meeta enjoys seeing children play in the park. At night, his grandma reads to him. Manu likes to look at words and pictures in books. Manu hugs his teddy bear and falls asleep. Spot is sleepy too. Can you see him?
So, students, today we have learnt Manu and his family. What you have to do is, you have to read once again this chapter. Okay? Thank you.